Hey there, curious learner. Today we're going to take a deep dive into something really crucial for every home, especially thinking about homes right here in Abbotsford. We're talking about keeping the air you breathe fresh and clean. Specifically, vent cleaning.
Yeah, it's one of those things that maybe doesn't get enough attention, but it's so fundamental.
Exactly. Okay, let's unpack this. All our insights today, they're coming from a really helpful article called Vent Cleaning Services in Abbotsford, Ensuring Air Quality. You can find it on the Pacific Blue Mechanical website.
Good resource.
And our mission here really is to help you understand why clean vents are such a big deal. We're talking health, your home's efficiency, maybe even, saving some money.
Right. It's kind of a shortcut to breathing easier and keeping costs down.
So what's really interesting is how, like you said, something seemingly simple like cleaning can make such a massive difference.
It really can. The article does a great job laying out the benefits when your home's air vents are actually clean.
Yeah, and it points out things specific to places like Abbotsford, with our climate, those damp winters we get.
Oh, definitely. That moisture can be a real factor.
Right. So our homes here, they can end up collecting more than just like regular dust in the vents. We're talking allergens, maybe pet dander, pollen, and sometimes even microbial stuff like mold.
Exactly. Mold and mildew can really take hold in ductwork if conditions are right. It's a sort of hidden issue that directly impacts your indoor air.
And that's the immediate health connection, isn't it?
It is. When that stuff circulates through your HVAC system, your heating or cooling, well, it can make respiratory things worse. Allergies acting up, maybe asthma triggers. The source makes it clear. Professional cleaning cuts down those irritants significantly.
So you actually get a healthier environment to breathe in. It's not just about feeling cleaner, it's actually being healthier air-wise.
Proactively managing it, yeah.
Okay, so if you're noticing, say, more dust around the house than usual, or maybe a kind of musty smell that won't go away.
Or, if people in the house are having more allergy issues, sneezing more often.
Those could be signs, right? The article suggests it's like your home is telling you something's up with the air quality.
Definitely signals to pay attention to. But beyond the health side, there's the impact on your systems and your wallet.
The efficiency angle. Let's talk about that.
Well, the article explains it clearly. When ducts are clogged up with dust and debris, your furnace or your air conditioner has to work much, much harder to push the air through.
Right. It's like trying to breathe through a straw that's partly blocked.
Exactly. And that extra effort, that strain, it uses more energy. So your utility bills go up. Plus, it puts more wear and tear on the equipment itself,
which can shorten its lifespan, potentially leading to costly repairs or even earlier replacements. Real ripple effect.
Totally.
And the article mentions that professional cleaning isn't just, waving a vacuum wand near the vent cover.
Sure.
They use specialized gear, right?
Yeah.
Like powerful vacuums and brushes that get deep inside.
Yeah, high-powered negative air machines, rotary brushes, stuff that really dislodges that caked-on debris that your regular vacuum just can't touch. This kind of thorough cleaning can genuinely boost your HVAC system's efficiency. The article suggests maybe 15, even 20% sometimes.
Wow, that's significant. Better efficiency, lower energy bills, and the system might last longer.
And there's a safety point, too, which is important. Removing thick dust buildup, especially near heat sources in the furnace, reduces potential fire risks.
Okay, good point. Especially maybe in older homes or systems.
Could be, yeah. So thinking bigger picture, it's not just health or money. It's about optimizing your whole home environment. Clean ducts mean air circulates better, more evenly. You get rid of those annoying hot and cold spots in different rooms.
Makes sense. And you mentioned Abbotsford's dampness earlier.
Right. In places like Abbotsford, where humidity can be a thing, clean vents really help manage moisture properly. They help prevent the damp, stagnant conditions where mold loves to grow. So it's about comfort, but also about making your home more resilient.
Okay, so let's boil this down. What does this all mean for you listening? Basically, we learned that cleaning your vents, like the folks at Pacific Blue Mechanical talk about, helps you breathe better, gets rid of dust, allergens, even that yucky mold.
Better breathing.
And it makes your heating and cooling systems work better. So you save money on energy bills, plus those systems might just last longer. And it makes your home safer from things like fire hazards.
Oh, big pluses.
And this is super relevant here in Abbotsford, right? With our weather, especially those damp winters, mold can be an extra concern.
Absolutely. Keeping vents clean here is just a really smart move for your family's health and, the overall well-being of your home.
So connecting this to the bigger picture, investing in clean vents seems like a pretty proactive, intelligent choice.
It really does. And it makes you think, maybe raises a question. What's one quick thing you could do today, maybe just to get a sense of your own home's air? Not a full inspection, obviously, but maybe just, take a peek inside one of the return air vents, see what it looks like, or just pause for a second and really think about how fresh the air feels in your main living space. Does it feel clear?
Little self-check.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Just something to consider. And remember, if you want to dive deeper into this, you can find more helpful info on keeping your home healthy over on the Pacific Blue Mechanical website.